Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add photos to a listing on Etsy. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in etsy.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Etsy. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner, we have categories where you can see all of the categories. We have the search bar where you can search for anything. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your account. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add photos to a listing on Etsy. So to add photos to Etsy listing, we have a couple of steps here. First of all, click or create the listing you're interested in on the listing page. Then click Add Photo at the top of the actual listing. Then select the photos that you want to add to the listing. You can add up to 10 photos for an item that you of course want to go and list. Then what you need to do guys is scroll down to variations and add them if you haven't already. Of course guys, you can use your mobile phone to take pictures and edit them before uploading to Etsy. You can also create a light box if you need to improve the lighting of your product. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, bye guys.